are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Happy New Year's, everyone. Welcome back to Julie Jules World. And to my new subscriber, a special welcome to you. Thank you so much once again for joining me. And today we're going to be making an easy messenger bag. These are super cute. Let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. You will need for this project fabric. Fabric measures 16.5 inch by 18 inch. This is the lining, outer fabric, and you will also need interfacing. In this tutorial, I'm just going to say inner and outer fabric for the video purpose. You're going to need some snap buttons, and then you're going to also need another strip of fabric that measures 50 inch by 2 inch. And then you're going to also need interfacing for that as well. So now with this material that I choose, this is jeans material. Because the jeans material is thick, you don't have to use interfacing for the jeans. It's thick enough where you don't need interfacing. I'm just using interfacing because this material here is thinner. I'm gonna go the route of using jeans. Don't need interfacing at all. That's not necessary. We're gonna go to the iron and we're gonna iron interfacing on the strap as well as the outer fabric. Flip that over. And we're gonna fold this like so. Another one over. We're gonna iron that out. And we're gonna keep doing the same thing all the way down. And once you finish with that, you're gonna take those two pieces and then you're gonna fold it one more time. And iron that out. And you're gonna do it all the way, the whole entire strip. You're gonna do that too. Once we finish ironing on our inner facing to our outer fabric, you're going to need a cardstock paper that measures 5.5 inch by 4 inch. On the 16.5 inch section, we're going to be putting our cardstock paper. We're going to place it at the top of that 16.5 inch section. We're going to just mark that using orange chalk because I want you to be able to see where I'm marking this. Take it to the other corner and mark that section as well. And then you're going to repeat the same step for the inner fabric as well. You should have inner and the outer fabric. So them should look like that. But we're going to be measuring the top part about 1/2 inch, the top here, 1/2 inch side here as well, and 1/2 inch to the top as well. You're going to be curving these two, so just get something that's curved. I just got a double-sided tape. I'm just going to use that to curve the corners. For the other side. Now you have both of them. On the right side, we're gonna put a gap right here, right there to right here. Leave a 5 inch gap. It's the inner fabric, and then we're gonna take that, and then we're gonna put our outer fabric, both right side touching each other. Then you're gonna lay it on top of there. Line right there. All the way down, going around and up. I'm going across, and then you're gonna go, and then you're gonna curve. You're gonna sew on that curve over the top, and you're gonna stand the curve, and then come all the way down, and then go straight over, and then you're gonna come down, and then you're gonna stop right there at that gap that we left. Okay, stop right there at that gap. pin this in place, and let's go to our machine and do that. We're going to go ahead and cut these corners. The curve, we're going to have to do some cutting. The corners, you're gonna cut both corners. Cut as close as you can get in the corner, but not too close. About like that. Do the same thing for the other side. So now that you finished that, let's go ahead and flip this inside out. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and iron this out, okay? And make sure you fold these two ends here up like that. We're gonna go to a machine and we're gonna start sewing all the way around the entire thing. We are going to turn this sideways like that, and we're going to be marking this area right here, 2.5 inch. We're going to mark it. On the other side, we're going to put a mark, 2.5 inch. And we're going to draw a line. Just go ahead and draw that line out. Line both of them up and just once we finish doing our lines right here, we're gonna flip this over and we're gonna fold that in half like that. Make sure everything is even out. We're gonna pin this in place. All right, and that same line that we mark, we're gonna sew all the way down that line. It should now look like that. Next step, we're gonna flip it like this. Okay? This part here, we're gonna fold it like that, okay? We're gonna center it. We're gonna iron this area down, and then we're gonna iron that part down as well. Make sure this lines up with this. You can fold that in half. Make sure that's the center, and then make sure this line lines up with that. And then we're gonna go to a machine, and we're gonna sew this corner here all the way down. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. We're gonna sew all the way down there. Both of them sewn sides, okay? And then we're gonna take this and we're gonna fold this up. The middle part that's not connected, we're gonna just pin those in place for right now. That's the middle section, okay? See that? I'm gonna pin those center, and we're gonna go work on our strap closure because we're gonna be putting it inside of here. Yep. All right. So we're gonna put that aside. Our strap closure, the end that's open, we're gonna sew all the way down there and lock that in. Now we're gonna attach it to our bag, okay? Top area, we are going to be placing this on there. And inside of there, make sure it's tucked in like that. Close that up, and then we're gonna pin that in place. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. We're gonna do the same thing for this one here. I'm gonna raise that up. I'm gonna take and then we're gonna place this inside like that. Okay, just let a little piece hanging out from there like that. You can see that. Okay, and we're gonna pin that in place as well. Okay, both of them should look like that. Sew down this end right here, and then sew down this end right here. All right, those two you want to do, and make sure you push these out of the way so you won't attach these, you won't sew this to this at the same time. So make sure it's just these two, this centerpiece only you're sewing down at, okay? Not these, so tuck them out of the way. Should now look like that. You attach your straps to it. And so we're gonna be adding our buttons to this. If you want, you can put your cell phone in there just to test it out and see how it is. About, I would say, 1/2 inch up, and make sure it's in the center. And then you're gonna put your button there, and then you're gonna, of course, line it up and make sure it lines up, and then we're gonna connect it there. Add my button closure, and awesome. Beautiful that is, y'all. I love the way the inside looks. 3 compartments. You can add your phone, money, cards, whatever you want in there. That's it for this tutorial. Here's the other ones as well. And I put this Made with Love tag here. I sewed that on there. You can do that, and that's what that is. I think I'm gonna put one right up here. I'm gonna put another one here. Yes, thank you all so much for watching. You will definitely see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.